We are currently in the world's largest water park.
One of my favorite rides was the leap of faith. It was a very brave and courageous ride, very amazing.
One of my favorite rides was Blackout, which is similar to Leap of Faith. It is an amazing ride and also tests my bravery. I thank all of the teachers and the principal for allowing this amazing trip to Aquaventure, which has really improved the bravery of many students and helped many students to overcome their fear of height and water.
How was the trip?
Very good, so good. The best trip I have had in my life. Good.
Very good. I like it
This is
very
the
much.
best trip I ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
Very good. In our school. Very good.